I'm exploring the southeastern desert corner of California. What are the secrets of Afton Canyon?
You seldom see flowing water in the Mojave. A bedrock formation brings the water to the surface. Reliable source of water, this was a definite stop on the old Mojave Trail. The Los Angeles to Salt Lake Railroad was routed through the canyon in 1905.
A side note, my wife's grandfather lived in nearby SEMA. On very hot days, he would buy a cold drink in this store. From the north, trains power through SEMA. And past the historic Kelso station. Trains then travel on through Afton Canyon. You know, it dawned on me I rode with family members across these bridges 60 years ago. Trains continue south through Barstow. The Mojave River, Old Road, and Railroad converge at this point. Up the canyon are some caves.
Explorers camped out in this cave.
Could this soot be from Kit Carson's campfire?
This is the second Pioneer Cave. Look at these piles of brush.
There's a project to remove invasive species. Water quality has improved as a result of this project. There are great side canyons to explore. Here's a mystery. How did these pebbles get here? There are geological secrets, history, a habitat restoration project, and even personal stories along the Mojave River. We appreciate you. Please subscribe. Want more information? Go to hikingthegolden state.com.